Is your business drowning in bank fees? Here's the truth about Tide. Ever feel like traditional banks nickel and dime you with hidden charges? Monthly fees, transaction costs, international transfer nightmares. It can feel like they're taking a bigger and bigger bite out of your hard-earned business income. So, what are the alternatives? Today, we're diving deep into Tide Business Banking, a popular option that promises a fee-free experience. But is it too good to be true? Can you really run your business without getting slammed with surprise charges? Let's grab our financial floaties and navigate the world of Tide Business Banking. Free at last? Exploring Tide's fee structure. Alright, the big question, is Tide really free? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Tide offers a free tier, their bread-and-butter freelancer account, with no monthly fees. This is a big draw for startups, sole proprietors, and freelancers who are just getting their feet off the ground. But hold on, there's a catch, isn't there always? Free accounts have limitations. For example, you'll pay a small fee for every transaction that exceeds a certain number each month. International transfers also come with a cost. Understanding transaction fees, counting the pennies. So, how much are we talking about for these transaction fees? With the free Tide account, you get 20 free ATM withdrawals and 50 free transfers every month. After that, you'll be charged a small fee per transaction. It's not outrageous, but it can add up if you're a high-volume business. Scaling up, paid plans, and added features. Now, if you're a business that anticipates a higher transaction volume, Tide offers paid plans with increased limits. These plans come with additional features like integrations with popular accounting software and the ability to add team members to your account. Of course, these paid plans come with their own monthly fees. So, it's important to weigh the cost against the benefits and choose the plan that best suits your business needs. Beyond the fees, what does Tide offer? But Tide is more than just a fee structure. They offer a suite of features designed to make managing your business finances easier. Here are some highlights. Mobile app. Manage your account on the go with their user-friendly mobile app. Invoicing. Create and send invoices directly from the app, streamlining your payment process. Instant Saver account. Earn a competitive interest rate on your business savings with their built-in savings account. 24/7 support. Get help from their customer support team whenever you need it. Is Tide right for you? Weighing the pros and cons. So, should you dive headfirst into the world of Tide Business Banking? Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide. Pros. Free tier with no monthly fees. User-friendly mobile app. Built-in invoicing and accounting tools. Competitive interest rate on savings. Cons. Transaction fees after exceeding free limits. Paid plans for higher volume businesses. Not a traditional bank, might not offer all the services you need. The verdict, it depends on your business needs. Ultimately, whether Tide is right for you depends on your specific business needs. If you're a freelancer or a small business with a low transaction volume, the free tier could be a great option. However, if you're a larger business with a higher volume of transactions, you might find yourself outgrowing the free plan quickly. In that case, it might be worth exploring the paid plans or looking into traditional banks that offer more comprehensive services. Do your research, make an informed decision. The key takeaway? Don't just jump on the Tide bandwagon because it's free. Take some time to understand your business needs, research Tide's features and fee structure, and compare it to other options. By doing your research, you can make an informed decision about whether Tide is the right financial partner to help your business stay afloat. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.